Alright, we're gonna make some brownies. Oh, just from the box because you know what? I'm not original. Preheat that oven to 350 degrees. Take it out of the box. Find a big ass bowl. Position it and put the powder in the bowl. Okay, I honestly don't know why it took me so long to put this in the bowl, but you're gonna keep putting it in the bowl, you know, and then take the bag out of the bowl, you know, of course. Now find a measuring cup and put it down. Take 1/4 cup of that lead poison tap water. Now you're gonna put 1/2 cup of vegetable oil or canola oil. That little splash that I just put in, I have to put it now back in the bottle and pour it over. You're gonna take 2 organic eggs, especially ones from your neighbors, from the chickens that they have in the back of their house. Now you're gonna turn the cup and pour it in. Alright. A 13x9 glass container. And you know, then you're gonna take it away. Now, you know, I like to use a fork to mix because in a whisk it gets all stuck up in there. So, you know, you're just gonna keep mixing. And make sure you incorporate all of the ingredients. So make sure you incorporate all of the powder because it gets stuck on the bowl. So you know you're just gonna keep mixing with that fork. Oh, okay, we're done, yay. So now you're gonna get that glass container that you put away. Spray that PAM everywhere. And I mean all over that container. Okay, I had to speed it up because there was so much. Now you're gonna reposition it once again. Take your batter and make sure it's all mixed up. So, you know, you're gonna mix that up before you put it in the container. Alright, yeah. You know, you're just gonna start pouring. And once again, I am still pouring. And reposition and keep pouring. Wow, I'm still pouring. Alright, I think we're done. Yeah, we are done. Alright. So we're gonna put that in the oven and make sure you position it correctly. And you're gonna bake it for 27 to 30 minutes. After 27 minutes, you're gonna take it out of the oven and check it. So I put the fork in the middle of the brownies, and it's not done yet. I'm gonna put it back in the oven, make a very mean face, and I did another 2 minutes. It's a very hard 2 minutes. And then you're gonna put on your oven mitts and take that out of the oven once again. You're gonna take the fork and put it close to the one you already did, and it's done. Turn the oven off for no fires. You're gonna put a heating tray and reposition and put it down, and then I'm gonna give you a thumbs up. And we're done. You're gonna put it in the corner because of the dogs. Bye!